Hello students, I am Kavita Singh from Samarpan Gyan School and we will learn here 8th Standard Science chapter number 1 crop production and management. What you see on your screen students? Right, it's a crop. What is crop? Crop means plant of the same kind grown and cultivated in a large quantity in a field are called crop plant or a crop. Okay, means when the plants of the same kind of grown and cultivated at a one place on a large scale, right, it is called crop. We grow different types of crop like paddy, maize, wheat, soybean and etc. Right, types of crop is cereals, fiber crops, pulses, oil seeds and etc. But in our Indian country there are two main crop seasons, Rabi crops and Kharif crop season. Okay, what is Rabi crop season and what is the Kharif crop season? We learn here, and what are the Rabi crop and what are the Kharif crop. So you can see here, these are the Rabi crops. Rabi crops means these crops are which are sown during winter are called Rabi crops. These crops are grown in the winter. Rabi crops are sown in the beginning of winter, October or November, and harvested in March or April. That is why Rabi crops are called winter crops. Example: wheat, gram, potato, mustard, coriander, oats and etc. Now we will learn about Kharif crop. What is Kharif crop? The Kharif crop which are shown during rainy season are called Kharif crop. Kharif crop season it is start from June or July to September or October. Kharif crops are also called summer crops. Kharif crops are shown at the beginning of monsoon season, July or June, and harvested at the end of the monsoon, September or October. Okay, and examples are given here: paddy, maize, soybean, cotton, urad and groundnuts. Okay, so these are the Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Now student, we learn about the agriculture practices. What is the agriculture practices? Every farmers want a good and healthy crops, right? So what he did for that, for growing the good crops? So these are the agriculture practices. Okay, means crop production many steps and conditions to obtain a good crop. These are called basic practices of crop production or agriculture practices. Okay, so farmer again, various steps performed by the farmer to product a good crop are called basic agriculture practices or agriculture practices. Okay, now here this is the steps. First, preparation of soil. Second, sowing. Third, adding manure and fertilizer. Then irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. So we learn these practices one by one. So our first topic is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil means tilling, plowing and leveling. Preparation of soil involves the following two steps: plowing and tilling. What is plowing? Plowing means the process of loosening the turning of soil is called tilling. When we loose and turn the soil, it is called plowing. Okay, and the leveling, the plowed land means after turning and loosening the soil, we can level the soil. Land is leveled and passed lightly with the help of wooden plank or iron leveler. Okay, you can see here, this is the tilling and plowing and this is the leveling of soil. Okay, now we can see the tools of that. First is the plow. Plow is a traditional tool This is made of wood. You can see here, this is the made by the wood, and little iron is used here. Okay, and it is driven by animals. So it is a traditional tool, and this is the plow, this is the handle, this is the beam. Okay, now we will see another tool, that is hoe. It is used for removing weeds also, and loosening and turning the soil also. Okay, it is a rod or wood iron, a strong board and bent plate of the iron is fixed to one of its end. Okay, you can see easily, that is the hoe. Grip, handle, bent plate, beam. Okay, these are the structure. This is the structure of hoe. Now in modern days, means nowadays, we are used for cultivator for tilling and plowing. Okay, these are the cultivator, and this is attached with the tractor. These are the cultivator, this is the cultivator, and this is attached with the tractor, and whole field are loose, farm is loosed at a one time. So it is the cultivator, it loose a soil, till the soil, turning and plowing the soil at a one time in a large quantity. And same as a leveler, here you can see the leveler, here is going the leveling of soil. Here is the wooden or iron, here is the wooden or iron blank leveler, it is attached with the tractor, and here is leveling is going on. Okay, so these are the tools that is used for leveling or tilling and ploughing. So we can learn about here practice soil preparation. In the next class we learn about more steps. Okay, thank you.